Hey there! I think it's that time of the year when I started dressing more warmly, drinking more hot tea than water, and setting up for evenings of soups. For such times, I have the most easy recipe for you, which is prepared entirely from scratch. Enjoy a warm bowl of pumpkin soup like a warm hug on cozy night because this soup contains warm notes of cumin, coriander, and pepper. This is the pumpkin soup you will make now and forever. Hey guys, welcome back to the Smoothies bar. Meet my favorite pumpkin soup recipe today. Though it has a light spice flavor, I made sure that pumpkin flavor was the star. In my opinion, pumpkin soup is one of those recipes that should be kept as simple as nature intended. And my recipe is quite possibly the easiest soup recipe around. Because everything is just thrown into the pot, boiled, blended and served. I actually mean easy when I say that. You will have your soup on dinner table in no time with only a handful of ingredients that you may already have on hand. This is my family recipe and a favorite weekly soup, and it will become your new favorite too. So let's go to the recipe
of this warming pumpkin soup. For the recipe, you will need 250 grams of pumpkin, 1.5 cups water, 1 small onion, 1 small tomato, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp cumin powder, 1 tsp pepper, 2 tsp salt. And for topping, some oregano, pumpkin seeds and chili flakes. Now we are going to peel and cut the pumpkin into cubes, and will also chop additional vegetables. Pumpkin is truly a superfood. Every component of it, including the seeds, skin and pulp, is rich in nutrients that have numerous positive health benefits. Pumpkins are especially high in vitamin A, which boosts immunity and aids in the prevention of illness. In addition to being rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, vitamin E, potassium, copper, manganese, fiber, iron, pumpkin has comparatively fewer calories than other vegetables. Onions and garlic are a secret components to a better pumpkin soup. This is a classic and simple soup that uses fresh pumpkin and fresh veggies. There is no initial frying or roasting required, something excellent at times of extreme hurry. Now let's add water and all the vegetables in the pressure cooker. If you don't have pressure cooker, you can use a covered pan. We will pressure cook till 3 whistles with the lid, and open the lid once pressure has subsided and let it cool. For cooling, we will separate the water, and once cooled, pour the mixture into the blender or grinder jar and puree until smooth. Hot mixture should not be blended since they will splutter. A gorgeous yellow color. Now put the same cooker back on the stove top on a low flame. Add olive oil. Adding olive oil is optional and you can skip it completely for a no fat soup. You can even add butter instead of olive oil. Next add cumin powder, coriander, pepper and salt to taste. Give it a nice mix. Now let the soup simmer gently until it reaches a hot temperature. After that, turn off the heat and serve. Add some oregano and pumpkin seeds and then some chili flakes. I enjoy serving this pumpkin soup with a slice of warm toasted bread as a light meal. It also works well as a side dish when paired with a grilled veggie sandwich, a light salad or a pasta dish with mixed vegetables. If you have liked this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the bell icon. It will motivate me to create some more videos like this. This soup recipe is really comforting, nourishing, thick, creamy, tangy and full of flavor. You will love it.
Please let me know how it turned out for you. I'm always so eager to know your feedback. If you're craving more cozy soups, leave a comment with your suggestion. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Eat clean.